Hi, I'm Paul Salazar. Welcome to 9003 Wonderland Avenue, a phenomenal opportunity for an end user buyer looking to build with RTI plans for a 4,000 plus square foot modern estate and a 1,000 plus square foot ADU with separate entrance and garage. This lot features breathtaking views of the Hollywood sign, San Gabriel Mountains, and downtown LA. The main residence is located on a private gated road at the top of Laurel Canyon within Wonderland School District and close proximity to Sunset Boulevard and the Valley. What I love about this opportunity is a separate residence in the form of an ADU with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, laundry room, rooftop deck, and 2-car garage. This can be a great guest house for the in-laws, office space, or rental income up to $6,000 per month. Looking forward to discussing your future Hollywood Hills residence at one of the highest points of Los Angeles. I'll see you here.